Alright, once again, you guys, hello over there in Wabasca, Desmarais. It is I, Lance, here once again with you amazing kids in K2 to grade 2, K5 to grade 2, and I'm here to help you do some amazing arts and crafts, and I'm so excited, as always, to be coming here live from my studio in Edmonton, which is really far away, but so close to be there with you guys. So much fun. I hope you're enjoying being back at school and being with all your friends. I'm sure it's so much fun, and I get to teach you guys some art classes, which is going to be so exciting. I love art. It makes me have so much fun, and I can play, and I hope you're excited too, because today is very special. Now, we all know what we do when we first see each other. We always say hello. And how do we say hello in Cree? Do you guys remember? That's right, Tanse! That's right, Tanse is hello in Cree. You all know that already, so on the count of 3, I want to hear nice and loud all the way over there in Desmarais. I want to hear you say Tanse on the count of 3. Are you ready? Nice and loud. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, amazing, not bad, but I know you can be much louder. Let's try it one more time. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, Tanse! Wow, amazing, good job, you guys. You're so nice and loud. I absolutely love that. Now, as you can see outside, all the leaves are changing outside, and that brings us to our Cree word of the day, which will also help us figure out what craft we're doing. So let's figure out our Cree word of the day today. Now I have this amazing paper where I can draw some pictures, and we're gonna give you some clues as to what maybe the Cree word of the day is. Now I'm gonna draw some pictures. Let's see if you can guess what today's Cree word is. Any guesses yet? These here are leaves. And what do leaves do this time of year? They change color and they fall. That's right, they fall. And our leaves right now, I think we should try to color them because our fall leaves are always so nice and bright. I'm gonna make my first one orange. Oh, brown. Brownsy orange. And also maybe a red leaf. And one more. Yellow. I love yellow. And there we have it. Fall leaves. Right now in autumn. Isn't that so much fun? Now I hope you guys love to draw, because today we're going to do a little bit of drawing and learn about autumn. But first, let's learn the Cree word for autumn, because that's so much fun to learn Cree. Now, the Cree word for fall or autumn is ᑕ곽킨. ᑕ곽킨. All right, we're going to write, it looks like this. 타. 과. kin. ᑕ곽킨. And the syllabic version is just like that. I love fall. I hope you love fall too. I love to see the leaves come down. And I like to play in the leaves. I bet you like to play in the leaves too during fall. Jump in a big pile of leaves and throw them in the air. So much fun. All right, let's put this away. You know why? Because it is time to learn about today's special craft. That's right, our special craft is all about fall as well. So we're gonna do that today as well. So let's learn about our craft. Here's what we're gonna do. Look at this. It's my family. Today we're gonna make little pictures of our family with fall leaves. Now, I'm sure by now you and your teacher have gone outside and picked some leaves off the tree. If you haven't, now's the time to pause the video, get outside, pick some fall leaves and come on back inside and we'll do our project together. Now, if you have done that already, that's great. Let's keep going. So here's our amazing little sample of our fall family right here. I have a dad, a mom, a sister, and a little tiny me. Now, families can be all sorts of things, not just moms and dads and brothers and sisters, but a family can be a kukum or an uncle or a brother and sister. All of families are different and they're all just how they're meant to be. Isn't that cool? So let's talk about all the supplies we need for today's special craft. The first thing we're gonna need is some white paper like this so we can make our craft on top of that. As you can see, the background for our fall leaves is white paper, so we have to have that ready to go. Second thing we're gonna need are leaves, of course. And I have some amazing leaves that I picked from the trees just today. Let's see if they can fall. Whoa, just like fall leaves, amazing. So these are gonna be my family today, so I'm gonna put them on my paper and get them ready to go. The next thing we're gonna need for this is googly eyes. And I got a whole bucket of googly eyes. Look at all these googly eyes, even some real big ones. Look at them. They Google all by themselves. Hey, maybe I can have googly eyes too. So much fun. We're gonna need some googly eyes, so I'll have those ready to go right there. What else do we need? Oh, we're gonna need some glue so we can glue our leaves on. And of course, markers. We'll put those right over there. Now I think we have all the supplies we need to make some really fun family portraits out of leaves. Now today, I'm gonna do 4 family members on my page. Okay, so I picked 4 leaves. Here we go. Now, it doesn't have to be a certain way, a certain place. It's all up to you. If you want to have one person on your picture, just choose one leaf. It's up to you. So the first thing we do is choose where we're going to put these on our page. If you have a really big family, you might have to have a big piece of paper. Mine's going to be small. I think I'm going to do 3 people today. So one little leaf is going to go all the way home. So we have a mom and a dad and a little boy. That's what I'm gonna do today. So the first thing we do is take our leaves and we glue them on. So we're just gonna use white glue that you have at your school. Whatever you have for glue, we'll use that. Now you can see on the back of my leaf, I put all sorts of glue. Let's put it on. 1. Piak. 1. Now the second one, Nisu, 2. All right, here we go. I'm gonna put the second leaf right in the middle, just like that. See? I bet yours looks amazing too. Next, the third leaf. I'm gonna go upside down with this one. There we go. 3 leaves. Now, teachers, you can pause the video here and wait for all the students to be finished their leaves being glued onto the pages and come back when you're done. Now, I bet by now all of you out there have put your leaves on your page and now we're ready to go to the next step. Now, what do we need for this leaf to look better? Ooh! They need some eyes. Exactly. Let's pick some googly eyes out of my googly bucket. I love to do crafts with you. It's so much fun. I want to do it all day long. I love to sing while I do my art. It makes it so much more fun. All right, so I have 2 eyes for Dad, 2 eyes for Mom, and 2 little eyes for the little kid, right here. I put them in place and see how I want them to go. Let's see. I'm gonna have Dad's eyes really far apart, Mom's eyes really high up, and the little kid's eyes together and low. All right, now take some time, glue those eyes on, And teachers, feel free to pause the video until everyone has their eyes glued on their leaves. Here we go. Glue some eyes. They gotta see too. They need some eyes to see where they're going. I like to see all the daytime. When it's fall, you can see all the colors. I love going outside in the fall time and seeing all the leaves coming down from the trees. It's so magic. And what colors can we see when we're out there in fall? We can see red, we can see yellow, we can see orange, we can even see green sometimes. And you know what? Some of those leaves are so old and gross, we can even see brown. But anyway, guys, all right, I'm all done gluing my eyes onto my leaves. Let's take a look. Look at that! Giggly, googly, giggly, gee. Googly eyes for all to see. Now, if you don't have googly eyes in your classroom, your teacher will have some hole punches they can probably use, and then you put little black dots on it, and you can glue them right onto your picture as well. Or, just use a black marker and draw eyes with black. It's up to you. There's no rules to art. It's whatever you want it to be. All right. Now, it's time to put, maybe a smile. Okay, so let's get our markers. Let's see here. I need a black marker. I'm gonna use a Sharpie because I prefer the Sharpie. So what we're gonna do now, we have our eyes. We're gonna put a nice big smile on all of our family. Now, Dad, I'm gonna give Dad a grumpy mouth. Just like this. Oh, who's playing with the power? The heat's too high. Stop turning the lights on everywhere. Something like that. So cool. Now I'm gonna give Mom her mouth, and she's gonna have a big, big smile on her face because that's what she loves to do. And there's Mom. She's so happy because she's always full of love. And the little boy, I'm gonna give him a, surprise mouth because he sees so many leaves out there. Just like that. Oh! Now what about eyebrows? Let's do that too. I'm gonna give Dad some eyebrows, Mom some eyebrows, and little boy. And check it out. Isn't that cool? All right, you guys. Now, teachers, if you want to pause the video until the kids have all drawn their mouths and eyebrows, you can pause the video now and come on back. But if we're ready, let's keep going. The next step we're going to do is to draw some feet and some hands. So what can we use? I'm going to use some different colors. Purple. I'm going to give Mom some purple feet. Just like this. Because she loves purple. And little boy's gonna have some blue legs because he likes to be blue. There it is. And Dad, I'm gonna give him some big brown boots. Because you know what? Dad always goes outside. He's always in the mud. And he's playing in the mud all the time, so he needs boots for work. That's why he has the boots, just like this. Check it out. Isn't that cool? All right, you guys, now it's time to add some hands. Teachers, if you want to take a pause and come on back when everyone's drawn their feet, pause the video now. If not, let's keep going. All right, we need some hands. Let me think here. I'm going to use a black marker for the hands because, it'll be easier that way. So, first thing we're gonna do, you know what I decided? I'm gonna give my little boy some hair. Just like that. Isn't that awesome? And Mom, I'm gonna give her some hair too. Dad, he doesn't get any hair. So there's Mom's hair, there's Dad, there's little boy's hair, and of course Dad, he has no hair at all. That's just the way he is. It's just how it works, okay? Now hands. We're gonna put our hands at the sides like this. We're gonna have Dad waving, just like that. Check it out. One hand. I'm gonna have him holding mom's hand because moms and dads always hold hands. And mom's gonna wave on this side. Just like that. Cool? And the last part is the little boy's hands. And his hands are down because he's surprised and he's a little bit scared. There it is. We have a dad, a mom, and a little boy. Now, teachers and teachers' assistants, now's the time for you to label all of your kids' work and let them know if it's their mom, dad, brother, or sister, or whatever name they want to put on there. Tell your teacher or your assistant what names you want to put, but at the very top, we should put my family. Let's do that now. My family. There it is right there. Big giant words. And now I'm going to put all the names. So the first one we're going to do is dad. Next, I'm going to write mom. I'm going to give her orange colored marker. Mom. And last but not least, brother. In green. And you know what? I think I'm going to color mom's hair a little bit of orange. And the little boy needs to have some, let's see, I think blue hair. There we go. And I think I am done. Check it out, you guys. I'm so happy with my family photo picture. Look at my family. We have dad, who's a little bit grumpy today. Mom, who's always happy with bright orange hair. And brother, who's always surprised. Oh my goodness. Well, there it is. This is my family. These are the people I love in my life. My family is all there is to me. That's right, the family is so important, you guys. And as you can see here, this is my family, and I'm sure your family looks very, very different, but that's okay because your art is perfect just how it is, just like you're perfect, just how you are. And as always, I'm so excited to be here with you today doing these crafts. But that wraps it up for me. Thank you guys so much all the way over here in Edmonton. Love you all so much, and I can't wait for you to put your names on that artwork, put it up on the wall, and make sure to give it to your family a little bit later. All right, you guys, love you all. Have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye-bye now.